This is FX Vision's YouTube channel. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. This is the gold US dollar weekly forex forecast for the weeks that starting from Monday, that is 12th of August 2024, and the week will end on Friday 16th of August 2024. Tell me everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all must be doing very well and you must be enjoying your lives. Also, you must be taking a nice and decent profits from the trades that you have set up previously. And from now onwards, I am going to discuss the charts of gold and various others. So gold US dollars, my friends, just have a look at this very nice and beautiful chart at the movement. And first of all, wherever you open the chart, just like I did right here, you have to look at the chart first of all and find out that is it any beautiful. Let's suppose this is a chart. Right now I'm showing you another chart. What do you think, which one is more beautiful looking, this one or the previous one which I have shown? Obviously the previous which I'm showed you, or this one is a nice looking chart. Whenever I see a chart or a pattern or a starting point of a certain trend, I look at this the whole trend, and then I see if there is any interesting. Yes, it is very interesting. And you may know that when price was trading near 1810 zone, right here back in 2023, right here, from right here we became bullish. Most of you will know, you guys forget the level, but I don't, because all of these levels are my own levels and we actually traded all of them. Anyways, this is not my topic for today, but I just want to tell you that just have a look at this particular chart and find out what's going on gold right now. Different things you have to do. The first thing is obviously the highlighting the key area, like what is happening right now. The second thing is, let me move it aside a little bit. Since I am doing it for the week, that's why this weekly candles and monthly candles will always be with me. Monthly candle is closed because market is already closed as it is weekend, but I mean to say that the monthly candle has not yet closed, so this is open and we cannot say anything about it. Yes, one thing and that I want to draw your attention to is the price action did is it bounced off 61.8% retracement of the previous candle. This is what we have to understand. And bounce is no doubt confirmed because weekly candle has confirmed the bounce. Now see my friends, this particular weekly chart, isn't this weekly chart very nice and beautiful? Let me show you. Isn't it very nice and beautiful looking chart? See, multiple times this level was retested and the level is 2492 and 2270. Sorry, 2294 and 2270. And this level, obviously 123, we have rejection right here. So this level no doubt is very fantastic resistance and will be a resistance. Stay with me because I am now going to discuss daily as well, but specifically right here I want to study the price action. Remember, my friends, whenever it may lead a little bit of explanation, but anyways, what this chart is doing is that it is on a monthly. If you see it, it is doing, it's trending upwards. You can see it now all the way from 2015, but I just assume for the sake of the simplicity that it is my own zone 1840. Last October I saw this level, so this 1800 area, and market is going straight bullish. So right here if you see sell candle, and right here if you see this and this continuation. So since on the weekly time frame we have got now this rejection many times, and last week I also discussed that next week, like this is the common example of a price action. Let's suppose a candle that is closed in a green light like this, and let's suppose this is the overall market like this. So how it forms, it first come back down like this, where it shows a complete red candle or a sell candle, and then most of the traders say hey, just short it right here. But most of you who follow me, you may have heard that in order for a trend to be broken, the candle should close below this. If not, this trend is still bullish. The price action is still bullish. Why? Like the last week, 2 weeks ago, this candle closed bullish. The next candle came, retested the previous weekly, and buyers were already waiting for it there. So remember this thing, right, my friend? This is a price action that helps you in confirmation. But the reality can be maybe the next week that candle comes back down and crashes back to the top side of the market, giving us a tail, which I'm showing you right now. And it will be a clear break off for a structure. Now you will say, where is the structure? And the trend will continue and will continue and will continue. And this is the weekly time frame. So since we just have seen a rejection on the basis of it gave me a daily setup that I will discuss with you. This trade setup, this one and this one trade setup, 575 plus. So on the monthly and the weekly at the movement market, I will suggest is still, like, obviously even this candle is a rejection candle from a certain level. I have make profits, but I cannot decide for the future. So there is nothing on monthly, on weekly as so of. Now very fantastic story starts from right here. You also have to see that on the weekly we have nothing on the basis of which we can decide. So what else is right here? Last week this double top, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and right here this trade I took till the support around 1022 pips it gave to me. Then during the week, I decided that for this zone, and I'm right now taking profit from this. Now what the market can do next? There are several possibilities. Let's discuss this double top first. Let me add an RSI right here as well. Because in future, you will when you will know my trading strategy, you will know that when relative strength index, I have to search for that. Here it is on the top. Yes. So this is my RSI, relative strength index, standing the reading of 16.90. You can see now it's visible to you at daily chart. Now at the movement it is 56.20. As the reverse, our area start from 80. When it's above 80, see how much profit did it give? 1200, sorry, 1293. Near approximately 1300 pips. Right here, you may be thinking why it didn't go up there, but it dropped very nicely. Just like now I'm saying, there can be a diversion from this high. What is now diversion and double top? Let me quickly explain. That the market, from the indicator, it is telling me that it is going down, but right now from the price it is showing that it's not going down, but it was still bearish, so we took the full advantage of it. But this setup doesn't belong to H4 and H1, so there we have seen some divergence as well to the top side. Now my friends, what's next? I would like to show you a setup right here, and then I will try to discuss that setup as well. This is something, and even previously I have discussed that this is something bullish rally at the movement is pointing towards 2255.75. So it means that if the bulls will follow this particular place, or let's say they are not happy with the 555 pips of profit, and they say we are targeting for the 1600 profits, then this double top will play a key role, because I can see that the price is going towards 2458 to 2477 to create another high. Now just have a look at it. There was a pattern. This one you, you might have trade ABCD, a correction that occurred, followed by a very nice support and a continuation to the top side of the market. Now I want to show you that this double top right here, it also gave some profits. So seems that like this, the present area is a smaller version of this. Right here it didn't work. If the market is going to drop, it will definitely be trying to drop towards this support first of all, and that will be on the weekly basis, remember. So one is this setup, this one, and that is similarly playing very nicely right here. A range between these two levels, and it can be ranging for quite some time. This is one possibility, and the W pattern completes there as well, but there is a good chance that it can also complete that, and maintain this bullish trend that we have right here. See how simple this is? Have you guys seen my trend line right now? And further we will conclude with trend line strategies and other strategies also. Now overall this trend, which started from 6th of October 2023, from 1810 was my actual zone. So when it started, it gave multiple level, and I will highly suggest everyone to read previous charts of gold right after watching this video from 6th of October 2023 and read the way I am going to read it right now. So at least you understand what's going on in the market. This is it is showing, then maybe from there it can drop but whenever price is there, then we will decide what we need to do. Now the other hand side of the H4 I want to show you, because obviously there are traders who want to trade on H4. So how that will look like is most of the traders who are selling right now at this 61.8% retracement. Yes, if I got like 1 week the market stays right here and cannot move up, then that's fine. Otherwise, for the weekly traders, in the upcoming week, this will be one trade opportunity for breakout and retest of 2433 once again, and 2420 as well. This whole area will be support area with us, which I'm marking right now, and it continues back to this zone. This is one trade opportunity which I have shown you right now. The second trade opportunity is which I am showing you right now. I don't take this opportunity right now because no confirmation has shown right here. Since there is no confirmation, so I cannot say right anything. But thing is, it is important level as it is 61.8% retracement level. But we also have to see that during this market, since it is ranging, did it respected the 61 right here, went for 300 pips a dip, but it completely did not. So chances are more likely to break the 2478 in upcoming week. Now it's for traders how we take it, and if there is any sort of confirmation right here, then yes, some profits can be booked from right here. And for fresh entries, anyone who's interested, who is interested, for like if the market drops till 2385 or 2391 again to retest the previous low, the trend line or previous low, then yes, it can become a bit of weak buy trade, but it will be a buy trade for me. Personally, I think it should complete. Personally, I hate such breakout trades, but because price is already at a break point and my strategies don't allow entering in the middle for buying. Now let's see for the upcoming week, my friends. With from my inner heart and from my feelings, I discuss these structures with all of you, right? And I'm sure enough that you will be following and learning these new concepts. Now, something I'm starting this weekly forecast. For let's suppose you're watching me for this any level that it works very nice, and any level that I give as a resistance, that works nicely. And I know people are trading money out of this buy and sell zones, right? You have to agree on this. But one thing I want to tell you face to face today is please, please, please have a little bit of patience for this market. If you wait for the market little bit, what bad will happen? Nothing. Remember, my friends, whenever just take take two papers with you, and on one paper write down quick trading decisions, and on another paper write down slow trading decision, and see the progress in 4 months. If you stick to the daily target time frame, the 4 month, like it is a rat and a turtle story. Rabbit and a turtle story. For forex you have to become a turtle, not a rabbit. So you don't have to be a rabbit here. You have to be a turtle, because slow and steady wins the race. I hope what I said you get me nicely, because I have seen very 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 intense situations of other traders who fell in these traps of others. Hey, come here, I will be make you a billionaire. No, 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 my friends. Don't ever ever fall in those traps. Sometimes, honestly speaking, sometimes I want to talk to all of you guys a lot and a lot. You don't know that I consider all of you as my family, right? But when I see my channel analytics, I do these one on one kind of. When I the charts disappear, sir, there is some mistake. You guys start to skip the videos. I just want to ask, are you in a rush for a trading, in watching a video, or you are in rush? Why you all are in rush always? I know there are more problems, financial problem, rents problems, job problems, everything is there. Most of the traders try to find the solutions of their current problems. Let's suppose a person is having financial problems, like they have to pay the fees, they have to pay the dues, they have to clear the mortgage, they have to pay the interest to the bank, they have to do etc etc things. So people come here to forex to find solution to those problems, and ultimately 95% of those traders, they end up clearly. By no means I want to let you be afraid of the market, but at some point in time you have to decide it. You will need to stop this emotional trading, my friends. And if you do this, I can guarantee you these charts will make you a billionaire then. But first try to be disciplined on a little bit. I have clients, but some clients say that shall we take a buy from right here? And when I tell them, trader, that this is not the buying zone, just don't go for it, they say, shall I take a sell? Every level, oh dear, oh my brother, every level is not for selling or buying. What are you doing? Please understand these things, right, my friends? I want to stay with all of you for very long time right here, and you have to help me in growing this channel as well, because I want to spread this news and my knowledge to whole globe. So if you have anything, just ask me, my friends. FX Vision is right here, but if you are not my friend, if you are not following the rules and don't obey the law, then you are not my friend. Please, I am sorry about that. You cannot be a friend, because rules are rules. Most of these traders, they are waiting for 2418, and can you believe market may never even come back to this zone? That does that means that those clever traders will be trading here? So why my advices are you for that? And obviously those 5% winners were messaging me, thank you for your feedback. And those 60% who are just following it on the demo, all of you are approximately doing it very well. I understand this plan. I will more discuss in the upcoming videos and week, and most probably to keep and stay away from distracted from the market, I have to next week analyze the market, because I am personally not interested in this, because I already got this profit. So what else? I don't want to be greedy anymore, right? So I'll see you next time. Then more education stuff on our channel is also coming regarding charts and everything. So take care of yourself. For more videos, subscribe our channel.